चलना पड़ेगा। अभी भीड़ तो हटानी पड़ेगी।
आप हट जाइए थोड़ा सा हट जाइए।
उसके आवाज़ के बाहर जो है यहाँ पर उनका पार्थिव शरीर मौजूद है।
आगे बढ़ो आगे। उतरने दो, उतरने की शौक लेंगे।
ऊपर चढ़ो, ऊपर कह रहे
भैया आएगी यहाँ से एक लाइन लगा के मस्त आएगी।
सीओ साहब आए हैं, जिस बटालियन के साहब हैं ना, उनके सीओ साहब आए हुए हैं। आप उनसे इंटरव्यू लो।
मैं बताऊंगा आपको।
आज तक कौन से इसमें हो आप? मैं बताऊंगा।
आप पीछे हटो, मैं पीछे चलो पीछे 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 पीछे।
वहाँ पर से फूल आपको दिखेंगे।
जाए, अंदर हो जाएंगे, अंदर हो जाएंगे। अपनी लाइन पर रहिएगा प्लीज। आगे वाला है। इधर साइड साइड ऊपर हो जाए प्लीज, बाबू जी ऊपर हो जाओ।
चलिए चलिए, वहीं आगे हो जाओ सब लोग, चलो वहीं आ जाओ, उधर आ जाओ, यहाँ कोई फायदा नहीं, खड़ोगे उधर आ जाओ, चलो उधर, चलो उधर से, यहाँ पे कोई फायदा नहीं, किसी को सिर्फ 5 मिनट के लिए घर पे लाएंगे।
So these are the visuals which we are showing you from outside the residence of Martyr Lance Nayak Chandrasekhar. The coffin, the mortal remains have reached to his residence, and all the family members, the residents, the neighbors, the locals, the veterans, you can clearly see the respect ceremony, the respect parade, the wrestling parade. We clearly saw how the respect was being given, that ceremony, that parade, in which the entire mortal remain was brought to the residence, and the visuals outside the residence clearly tells us the pride, the honor, the respect everyone has for this brave soldier, the martyr soldier. You can see the visuals, the mortal remains have been kept inside residence, and one on one the family members, wife Shanti Devi, 2 daughters Kavita, martyr soldier Lance Nayak, brother Puran Chand Harbola, all will be giving tribute and will be bidding goodbye, and we will clearly see the army. The spirit of Desh Bhakti, the spirit as clearly seen, and we will try to show you the visuals of wife Shanti Devi. We'll try to show you the visuals of wife Shanti Devi, daughters Kavita and Babida. I'll ask my camera person Surendra Shah to try to show you with more focus wife Shanti Devi, who was expecting her wait of 38 years finally comes to a closure. She's seeing the mortal remains of her husband, martyr soldier Lance Nayak Chandrasekhar. The grieving, the teary-eyed can clearly be seen. Lots of tears and sadness and grief amongst the family members. But yes, proud and respect can also be clearly seen, because as wife Shanti Devi also said, there's a proud moment for every countryman whose soldier, whose family member, whose Jawan get martyred for this nation in the battlefield. There's such a proud moment. We are proud. And we'll try our camera person to show you more visuals of the of the family members. We'll try to ask him to zoom the camera from here and show you the visuals of